Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called Effortless CPA, which is the first ever all-in-one CPA software suite plus training that will help your subscribers build huge buyer list and make daily commissions without selling anything. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hi guys, my name is Ram Rawat, the mustached marketer, and in this short video I'm going to explain how exactly Effortless CPA works in 4 simple steps. So first we have to create a campaign. So for example, we want to create a campaign for weight loss. So let's say weight loss 02. Save. Now we have saved the campaign name. Now we'll search for the CPA offers. That is step 1, searching for CPA offers in weight loss category. We can categorize with different options like network, category and country. Right now I'm keeping it simple. Okay, you can see it has picked up so many CPA offers. We can select any CPA offer that we want to promote. So suppose you want to promote this offer. When you click on this link, it is going to take you to the all the details of this particular CPA offer, and you can apply that from that particular CPA network and get your affiliate link. Once you do that, then comes the step 2, where we are going to create a funnel for this particular campaign, weight loss 2. You can select from all these done for you templates, or you can create your own. So let's say we are selecting the creating the landing page from here, and let's say weight loss tricks in 7 days, or how to lose weight in 7 days. Write your own content. This is just a demo purpose thing. So once your landing page is ready, then you can have your thank you page. You can say thanks for signing up, and you can edit all these options. You can change the image, you can do all the possible editing that you want to do. It's really simple to use the editor. Once you do that, click on the next button, and you can add this. If you want to save this as a setting, we can say weight loss 02 settings, and you can use the same settings to other weight loss or health related campaign. Then the important part is add the opt-in form code from your autoresponder, so that you can capture all the leads inside your desired autoresponder. Once you do that, simply click on the create funnel option, and you can see your weight loss 2 settings is ready, and we have to assign a campaign that we have created in the beginning. So just assign the campaign, that is weight loss 2, and save changes, and your weight loss 2 campaign is ready. Now we have to do is finding the step 3, that is where we are going to find the right PPC ads for this particular campaign. So I'll go inside the ad search option, or I can go back from here, and I can do the same by clicking on this search button here. And now I'll search for the same keyword, that is weight loss. Okay, you can see it has picked up some advertisement related to weight loss campaign, and you can save all these advertisements, these PPC ads for different from different competitors. So I'll simply save these, and we can see the same later on inside the ad library. So the idea behind this ad search option is that we are going to find the competitors' keywords, their landing pages, so we can improve our landing pages based on how our competitors are working on what kind of designs, what kind of content, and we can use the similar content, and we can use the similar kind of landing pages, and we can use the similar kind of PPC ads, so that we can also generate traffic through PPC methods from Google ads or from Bing ads easily without having to pay a lot to generate this kind of traffic. So our first 3 steps are ready and done, and the 4th step is the CPA training, where you are going to learn a lot of things that are going to help you get started with your first high converting CPA funnel and how you can scale your CPA marketing campaigns to 3-figure, 4-figure through my advanced training. So go through that training area, and if you still have any questions, queries, please let me know. As of now, you can go back and check my campaigns here. This was our campaign, and you can find all the details related to this campaign here. You can find offers by clicking here, the offers that we have searched for weight loss category. We can find all the offers here. I'll go back and we can find our funnel here. So this is the funnel that we have created. We can check out the landing pages and thank you pages from here. I'll simply click on this and it is going to take me to the landing page that we have created. And similarly, you can edit and preview the thank you page from here. And the last option, that is the ads that we have saved for this campaign. So these are the ads that we have saved for this campaign, so we can always pick the right converting ad from here. And that's how we get started with our first weight loss campaign, weight loss CPA campaign using Effortless CPA. So I hope you like this video. If you still have any questions, queries, please reach out to me or drop me a message on my support, that is support@roundrobber.net, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.